Moving on to the third question. Why do you think Yudkin's neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer? When summons were issued, Lutkins and his mother, they laughed at the narrator very much because they wanted to feel him embarrassed. They were insulting him as if he were a boy of 7 only, who was not considerate. Lutkins told the whole village that whole village knew how foolish he was. Only one of his neighbors missed meeting such a foolish person who can be befooled by anyone at any moment. So he wanted him to come to the neighbor's house and had a cup of coffee. After his first day's experience with the hack driver, the lawyer thinks of returning to New Milan to practice law. Do you think he would have considered the idea after his second visit? Not at all possible. I don't think so. Because in his first visit, he found everybody, Bill the hack driver, the people he met in the village, they are all loving, caring, sympathetic, helping each other. So he wanted that this is a best place to live in. They all are very kind people, very cooperative they are. No doubt they failed to trace Oliver Lutkins. He went at so many places with Bill, they were not able to find out Lutkins. He finds the place very honest. The people were very honest and very human. Also, he thinks of leading a honest life and happy life in New Milans. But naturally, he would have considered his idea after his second visit. He would have realized that New Milans is full of crooks, a bunch of crooks and cunning people like Bill and all his acquaintances, all his friends, all including his mother. After the exposure to the whole drama that Bill enacted to befool him, actually he was himself Oliver Lutkins, the lawyer would have dropped the idea of going to the place again. Instead of living over there, he would never try to go to that place. Do you think the lawyer was gullible? How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? Actually, really, he is a very talkative person. He behaved like a very immature one or a very unprofessional lawyer. Actually, he proved himself just a novice. Novice is one of the person who is having no wisdom, who could be outwitted very easily by anybody. So he behaved like a 7-year-old boy before seasoned crook, the Bill, who is actually Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer could have avoided himself. He should have done his work more thoroughly before leaving for the new place, for a new person whom he doesn't know. He should have sought more information from his company who had already worked with the person Oliver Lutkins. He should have kept the purpose of his visit a secret, not let everybody know why he has come over here. The lawyer allowed himself to be a puppet in the hands of Lutkins. He gave him chance and space to befool him by misguiding him at every step. The lawyer's this behavior helped Lutkins to make every move that would outwit and befool him. So easily did he believe in Bill that he allowed himself to be taken for a ride everywhere. Wherever Bill asked, he kept on riding with Bill, every place, every shop, everywhere, but couldn't find out Lutkins. Thank you. That's all about the question answer. Now you can frame your own answers and write the answers in your notebook.